Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to deactivate and delete inactive plugins from WordPress. First of all, hover to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. Click on Inactive and check the plugins mark. It will select All. Click on Bulk Actions and select Delete and Apply. All the plugins will be deleted one by one. Click on Active. If you want to deactivate any one of these plugins, click on Deactivate. You can deactivate other plugins too. To completely delete this plugin, click on Inactive plugin and click on Delete. OK. So all the inactive plugins are deleted permanently. Download the free WordPress quick guide for businesses. The link is in the description below. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.